Oh. Okay, what's up guys, Aryan Rajesh here, welcome back to my channel again. I am on this ride for Kailasagiri from morning. I started at 8 o'clock, but my GoPro mic is giving me so many issues. I put a new mic, as you can see here, which I got it yesterday, but even this is giving me that cracking noise. Whatever footage I recorded till now, it's all gone. I mean, without audio, there is a footage, but there is audio issues. So I stopped to check again, and I realized that the audio was not there. Now again, I removed the mic, connected back. Now it is kind of recording. I have to see how it does. Hope this records well. My mood was all off. Vlogging mood was gone actually. Anyways, we'll see how the audio is. I'm headed to this place called Kailasagiri. Now I'm in H-Cross somewhere. It's more like 20-30 minutes. So I'll catch you guys there. There is some small trails also. I'm planning to do that. We'll see. Okay. Chalo. So if you go straight, there is a temple, but we need to do some off-road trails. So we'll be heading in this direction. Switch off MTC. Okay, we'll see. I see some wheel spins of some bikes. Okay. Oh. I make one look. Versus 650, I guess. I'm repeating this again and again. Saddling will give you that next level of confidence. You can easily saddle. In front of me there is one versus going on. I don't know whether it is 650 or 1000cc versus, but we crossed me some time back, so it's even easier. you'll lose that interest when you enter some off-road trail, right? We should be doing that. Maintaining some distance with the front guy. By the way, he is not in our group. I did a solo ride, so no one is there with me today. Let me help him. I think he got stuck there.
Manage.
It's okay, I'll give a push.
No, it's fine,
Fine, right? Because there is no traction here. Yeah, take it.
What is the
Yeah, that's okay. Come on. Release the clutch slowly. That's okay. Take it from the left. Wait. Come on. Super.
Thanks, man.
There's 650, 850. 650, right? Whoa! That's okay then. Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
1 minute.
Oh, it's filled with muck.
Oh yeah. Okay. Shit. That's okay. Leave it. Yeah, all good. Now when you start now, right?
Yeah.
I'll give a push.
Yeah.
Take it from here itself. It is very less muck here.
Yeah.
Don't cut off the throttle.
Okay.
Be gentle on the accelerator. Just slowly. Left. Yes. Yeah. Keep going. Yeah, that's it. That versus is like an elephant.